Hello, everyone. My topic is integration of blogging into the blended learning. I'm at High Colleges of Technology. Blended or hybrid learning is a method of teaching that integrates technology and digital media with traditional face-to-face physical classroom and online classroom activities. How can we use blogs? We can use blogs for different purposes. We can design a teacher blog for students into which we can put our content and links. We can use blogs for sharing information with other researchers and educators. We can use blogs for e-portfolios for students and teachers. We can have class blogs as websites for specific courses. Also, we can use student blogs as a reflective diary. What are the basic functions of blogs? First of all, blogs are free and easy to create, and they're similar to websites. We can easily add links and embed content. We can have automated functions like date archives. Blogs are easily available to an unlimited number of students. They are searchable and can have search engines and embedded into the blogs. They can automatically adjust to smartphone size or iPad size. They're very mobile friendly. Students can register for your blog and follow by email each time you post your text on your blog and send it out. Students automatically receive it into their email inboxes. Blogs can be easily integrated into learning management systems such as Moodle, Blackboard Learn, Google Classroom, EduWave, and so on. So how to create a blog by using a blogger? First of all, you have to have a Google account or Gmail. Actually, there are two ways of logging in. You can log into your Gmail account and go through the whole process and reach your blog there. Or you can go to blogger.com and log in with your Gmail username and password, whichever way is better for you. Okay, so how to start creating a blog? Before you come up to your blog, you should know what type of blog it would be, and you have to have the title. You can change it later, but it's better to know what title it is. Then you have to choose your blog address, which means www.com, right? So you cannot change the address. Keep this in mind. Once you have it, you have it. Choose your blog theme. Also, you can change it later, but the theme is also an important thing because it's better not to change it too often in the future. So when you go to your Gmail account, in your Gmail, in the top right corner, click on the square of 9 dots. When you click on this square, you will see a lot of icons there. You can go down on more if you don't see your blog immediately, and then you will definitely see it. Blogger. Click on Blogger, and you will have to sign in again. Or you can start your signing in process by typing www.blogger.com, and you will also come up to this page, and you sign in with your Gmail account. I mean, with your Gmail password. On the top left, click New Blog. When you go in there, and you will find a blog list. You create a new blog by typing in the title. You type in address, and click create blog. So creating a new blog, once you write this title, it will automatically come up into your blog. It's important to choose the address. It shouldn't be too long. But the problem sometimes is that many addresses already, many names are taken up. So it will show you automatically whether the blog address is available or not. If it's not, keep on trying until you get an available, suitable address. And then don't forget to create blog, click the button, otherwise it will not be continued, you will not save it. There's another example. I selected creating a new blog, a title. I chose my own blog, how to create a blog. That's the title, my blog. And the address blog creation lessons.blogspot.com. And that address, blog address was available at that time, and I created my blog. If you try it now, it will not be available because I have taken it. And then click create blog and you have it. Then on the left, click select a theme. Theme selection is an important step. That's because this is how your blog will look like. I would choose a simple theme. There are different types of themes offered by Google. I would choose simple theme, as you can see here. I encircled it in yellow. It doesn't matter which color you choose. Well, I like blue. That's my favorite color, but you can also, anytime, you can change the color. And you can customize it. And blog a theme, how to create. Blog a theme, how to create a blog. You can see the title already is here. And you can find themes, background, adjusting width, layouts, advanced, and so on. We'll come up to it soon. Theme designer, new version. Regarding the versions, I would like to say the following. The process that I'm describing and discussing with you now can be slightly different depending on the language that you are using in your blog, depending on which part of the world you are located, and whether it's a newer or older version of your blogger. So that's, but the principles are very similar. This is what I would like to tell you. Yeah, so this is, here we can see theme designer, new version, which is exactly almost the same, only maybe things are a little bit differently located, but in general, there's no difference here. And so you can adjust here. When you go to your blogger theme designer, you can see themes, background, adjusting width, layout, advanced, and so on. And the background can be chosen colors and many other things. So adjusting blog width, you can, just making it wider or more narrow, depending on your preferences. I wouldn't advise you to make it too wide because depending on resolutions, different computers have different resolution, and if it's too wide, it will not look very nice on your computer screen. And then you can adjust layout, body and footer. Once you choose them, you will continue more conveniently creating the content for your blog. Also, yeah, so this is how you adjust the width. So then you select the blog title color and save it. Anything, all the colors, all the font sizes, everything is available here. Then you can apply to blog, yeah, all different backgrounds, whatever you choose. You can select blog header background color and click apply to blog on the right top side, on the right top corner. And you have all types of links: blog title, blog description, tabs, text, tabs, background, post title, and so on. Then you can use accents or separating lines. Separating lines are below. As you can see, a separating line is, it helps to organize your content in your blog. So it's quite useful to make it distinct, probably the same color as the background of your header, maybe, yeah. And then you can modify, always modify size and font of the blog, going through the processes. This process is go to advanced, then go to blog title, then choose Arial or whatever font, and then bold and the size, and continue in this way. Then you can go to blog description. When you go to blog description, you can do exactly the same thing. Choose color, choose background, and write your text there. Then you can go back to Blogger if you want. If you click back to Blogger, you will come back to your basic page, the page that you will be most often using when you use your blog. And here you can see your title, the title of the blog in the left corner on top, and how to create a blog, that's the title. Then you can see posts, statistics, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings. When you go to settings, you go to edit, and you can edit what? You can edit title, you can edit description, you can edit many other things. If you go to edit blog address, then you will probably not be able to, I would not advise you to edit blog address, to change it. It's better to keep it as it is. Well, you can edit posts and comments and sharing, how much you share with others your content. You can block the comment function, or you can add it the way you want. Describe your blog in one sentence. That's description. Try to make it as short as possible, but it should not be shorter than the title of your blog. In my case, I gave the title How to Create a Blog, and the description, learn how to create a blog for teaching, learning, and research purposes. That it reflects the main idea of my blog. And you have step-by-step process here. You click Save Changes, and you got it there on your blog. You can control your blog access to different people as much as you like. It can be public or private. A public blog is available online to all students or all readers, but only you will control it and you add the content. The private, only you and other blog authors will read the blog that you decide. And you can also privately restrict the blog to certain people, certain readers you decide. So there are quite a few choices here. You can see them here. When you go to settings, basic, you see blog readers, and you can see automatically by default it's public. Private, only blog authors and only these readers that you decide. And you just choose who would be able to access your blog if you want. And then you click Save Changes. How to post and publish content. Easy, very simple, yeah? As you can see button, posts, and then click New Post, and copy and paste your text, or you can write it there while you are online, and you post a message or whatever you want. Now, how to delete profile. Why am I showing this to you? By default, Blogger shows about me profile gadget. Many people don't want, especially if you are a teacher and you're teaching students and your focus is on the lesson content. About me, you can leave it if you like. what I'm showing here is you go to layout, find about me, and then you can delete. You click on edit and go to show about me, tick show about me and remove. You can always come back to it and bring it back if you want. And then click save arrangement. Of course, you need to save it. If you don't save arrangement, if you don't save, it will come up again. Here we are. Now, the blog, a useful tool. Yeah, how to create a blog. This is my blog now, and people can also see it, not only me, it's public. But when I'm logged into my email and I am logged into my blogger, I can see the published version of my blog, and I can see I encircled them in red color. There are tools here. If you click on these tools, you can always make some amendments. It's a very convenient way of editing your blog. You see something is wrong there, and you see, let's say, search this blog. You want to change something. So near the search button, you just press this icon tools, and you can get in there and make any changes you want. The good thing is that only you can see these tools because you are logged in. Others will never see them in your blog. This is how it looks like. As you can see on top, you can see the title, how to create a blog. You can see description, learn how to create a blog for teaching, learning, and research purposes. I also made up a navigation bar where you can see in the line here, horizontal line, introduction, pages and posts, navigation bar, and so on. It's very convenient to find information. The same information is below on the left side, content, introduction, blog basics, and similar things are here too. So for the sake of convenience, students can type in their email addresses to register. There will be a few steps. It's very simple, and they get automatically an email message from Blogger. They confirm their email address, and each time I post a new message on my Blogger, they automatically receive it into their email. This helps to send out reminders to the students, and you don't need to worry. Well, they just registered by themselves. A student can register with a few email addresses. And this is how it is. Yeah, this then under the page, introduction to blogging. How, if you are interested in more details, please feel free to use this blog, and you'll find a lot of information here. You can always contact me. If you scroll down the blog, there's my contact. There's a possibility to contact me as well. And you can create 100 blogs with one Gmail account. If you have a few Gmail accounts, you can create, well, as many as you have accounts. Yeah, 100 blogs. I think it's more than enough. That's about all I wanted to tell you today. Thank you very much for your kind attention.